Hi students, now the textbook exercise problem number 2. The radius of the circle is 3.12 meter. Calculate the area of the circle with regard to significant figures. So, first of all, I will write the given quantity radius is equal to 3.12 meter. And the formula to find the area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So this is equal to 3.14 into 3.12 into 3.12. So this is the first step of substitution. I hope you must have understood. Now we have studied in the theory class while doing the arithmetic operations, namely addition and subtraction, the answer must contain the minimum number of decimal digits. Like that, as a rule, in the arithmetic operation we also studied for multiplication and division, we have to observe the total number of significant figures. Okay, we are multiplying now three numbers. The first number is 3.14, which is a numerical value of pi. So how many significant figures it is having? How many significant figures is 3. All the 3 digits are significant. Similarly, here also 3 significant figures. Here also 3 significant figures. So our answer, namely the area of the circle, must contain only 3 significant figures. Now I am going to multiply the 3 numbers. Okay. So 3.14 multiplied by 3.12 into 3.12 is equal to 30.5660. So this product is now equal to 30.566. Then some digits are coming like 0, 1, 6 and all. Okay children, now look at the answer for the area. How many significant figures this actual answer is containing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is having what? 8 significant figures. But according to the rules of significant figures, the answer must contain only how many? 3. Is it not? 3 significant figures only. So we have to round off this to 3 significant figures. So the 4th digit I am seeing here. What is the 4th digit? Is 6. Is it greater than 5? Yes, we have to add 1 with the previous digit. Therefore, see here, the 4th digit is 6. So we are adding 1 to the previous digit. Therefore, now the area is equal to how much? 30.6 meter into meter is a meter square. So this is the answer. Understand? I hope you must have understood well. Fine.